I'll take a good one then. Streets of Italy? I don't know, it's not
Should we
too good.
do?
Fuck knows. Don't know which one's good and which one's
We could do Downfall and do some sniping.
Is that Downfall the one we were on before? Yeah, that's not too bad. Right.
Oh, sick, it saved all my stuff. Nice. Alright, let's do this.
Sorry, hold on. I'm just gonna choose. Oh, you can't have. Oh, wait,
No worries. Oh, wait, can I get a.
Right, I'm good to go.
Suppress.
Yeah, do you get the red smoke?
I've just got white smoke.
Alright.
Keeping it simple.
Okay.
Right. Which way is the map? Right.
Yeah, safe, you can come out.
Oh, thanks. Mother hen looking after the boys. Whoa, fucking hell. Taking fucking rounds from somewhere. Right, we've got... You know something, I'm gonna go and get up on top of this hill and fucking lie down. Holy shit. Right. Just to make everybody aware, I am actually lying down in real life. Right. We've got enemies in the far distance, 330 towards the north edge of the town.
Anyone seen?
I've just killed a couple up towards the north side of the town there. There's a one coming in close from the north, but he's at the bottom of that building where we were. I can't actually get him because he's right in the dip. Yeah, I think that might have been him that he's just got there. He was down the bottom of that ridge line bit.
You gotta put them on my body, like actually on the body.
What, are you down, are you?
Yeah, I am. This guy's trying to defib me. You gotta like put it on my body. To your right.
Actually,
and
that's
forward
what
a
I'm
little
doing,
bit.
but I can't see your body the same way you can, so maybe you have to guide me.
Okay, I understand. So, to the right and forward about 2 steps. Yeah, right there. What, you standing on me? Okay, it's literally on me on my screen. I don't know.
I'm really sorry I can't get it to work.
That's totally fine. Don't sweat it. It's all good. I appreciate you trying.
I'll go to for the last kill then.
Yeah, he's up towards the northeast somewhere.
Go for it.
I've only got one left. I'll see if I can draw him out with a bit of fire. Nice, well played. Nice, well played.
Nice one, everybody.
Aye.
Yeah,
Great.
sorry about shooting you, mate.
No, that's totally. It was my fault anyway. Like, because I walked in front. Do not worry at all. It's all good.